Assalamu alaikum. The nationwide campaign going on by Jamaat Islami Hind Women's Wing, Strong Family, Strong Society. Regarding that, we are here in the Project Smile office with Sister Sara Umar. As you have been working in through with this field during the pandemic and also presently also. How are you feeling the families are nowadays?
Side to it, and there is a worrisome side to it as well. But as long as the partners of the family, both the man and the woman, come together and play their roles equivalently, we can see the families to flourish. It cannot happen when one person is doing all the thing and the other is not. It has to be a partnership. It is the responsibility of the man and woman to get this upbringing going together among themselves and their progeny as well.
As you said just now, sister, that both wife and husband are both equally responsible.
Yes.
So what are the more important values you think that the parents should inculcate in their children to build a strong society?
There is some kind of a knowledge transfer that has to happen between the man and the woman. You know, the man has to know that being in a family is a responsibility. You know, we usually tend to say that the entire life of the woman changes as soon as she gets married. The same is not reflected in the life of a man. The spouses have to come together intellectually with their ideas of life, with their ideas of upbringing, and respect each other enough to give that space to each other. And you know, the common thing I've seen is, you know, if the man is working outside, he comes back home and he's exhausted and no time to give to family. That cannot happen. If the woman is working or is at home, she's exhausted and no time to give the family, that again is a worrisome matter. You know, you need to give each other time, space, have dialogues with each other, discuss things, because that's the most important part of how you're going to continue as a family. And if that communication is not there at the intellectual level, the future of it is based on, you know, the way we've seen it. Chalta rahega, and you will not see any efforts in the next generations at all.
Youth is not ready to take up the responsibilities. What would you like to tell about these?
Youth, the way I see it, has immense potential, but they lack a platform. If we consider ourselves to be of elder, you know, we have been through our youth and are doing something in the society, we need to give that platform to the youth to bring their talents, to exhaust their energies, to involve them in good community work, because the youth is looking for ways to channelize what they are good at, right? If we don't give them that platform, they're going to go somewhere else.
Wherein we see the youth running away from the responsibilities. They don't want the responsibilities of the children, not the wife, not the elders.
No.
They want to live happily with their own area of focus and happy.
Because we have this misconstrued idea that marriage means ayo kaun karta hai marriage. It's a unwanted hindrance in your life. But marriage is not that. Marriage is you having a partner for life. We have this insane idea that once you get married, you're chained. It's so wrong. Marriage has to be easy. You know, it's like having a best friend with you for your life. You need to be good friends. You need to be good partners. You know, for this partnership to work, you two has to come together as a unit. Marriage is something amazing. But for me, marriage has opened up amazing doors, amazing rahmah from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And my whole idea of marriage is, in fact, I would encourage you to go ahead and get married, because you have a partner for life, for this life and hereafter, inshallah.
So your message to the youth is?
Yeah, you know, all the marriage for the wedding that we do, take the entire thing and invest it in your marriage instead of your wedding. You know, wedding is for a day, your marriage is for your lifetime. Please go ahead and follow the sunnah way of marriage. You don't need this extravagance. You don't need this wastage of resources and money.
So with these morals and with these values, inshallah, we will be surely building up a very good family and a very good society. Jazakallah khairan.